In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. If some of your apps spam you with notifications you don't want to see, but you also don't want to uninstall any of those apps, I can show you exactly how to fix this issue. All you need is your device's settings. So let's begin by launching them and scrolling a tiny bit to click on notifications. Then select app notifications at the top and tap on most recent at the top left corner. Now you can click on most recent, which is apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps you have overall, and also apps with notifications already turned off. Wherever you decided after finding your app from which you want to block notifications, click on this switcher with a check mark right next to it. So when I do that, all notifications for my apps were successfully disabled. To enable them, click on the same switchers, this time until you will see the check mark again. Most people don't know that you can also click on any app available on the left and manage all notifications over here by clicking on this switcher next to all notifications, and also by operating all of those options if you don't want to disable all of your notifications. For example, you can only disable notification dot. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!